We need a milliliter cup thing.
Hi boys, what are you doing?
Would make it slime. Oh, I think I added too much.
Hi, we're gonna make lime.
Right now, we're gonna pour this glue into the warm water. We need like 100 milliliters of water and 50 milliliters of slime.
Then we need to stir it.
Did you start counting? Are you counting? Step 3, add 3 to 4 drops of colored ink glue mixtured and stir until fully combined and then set aside. 8%.
Okay.
I'll be mixed.
So what are you doing now, Lila?
Putting the glue powder.
Yep.
Open it more. You gotta stir the borax in 25 ml water.
Okay.
And then you have to stir it until it dissolves. But it felt sticky.
I want
Yeah,
to.
it's feeling sticky. Don't touch it.
I want to touch it.
No, don't touch it yet.
Why?
Keep stirring till it becomes the real slime form.
Gabi. We're now done with stirring the whole thing.
Then do we want to tea? Ooh. Oh my god!
You have that and Josh that. I have this.
Ah.
How you make slime? Subscribe to our channel.
What's that, Lila?
More. So you just wipe it, then you know to make lime. Ooh, it's so twisty. Bye.
This video is sponsored by
Bye everyone.
DIY slime.
Bye everyone.
Ouch.
Hi, welcome.